Joy, how are you? Good to have you. You're watching Everything Diamond Painting. And I have a new painting here. The little story that goes behind this is, if you remember a little while ago, I added some bling to my nail lady's poster for her shop. Well, we also had picked out a picture. This is it for another painting. Okay, so what I got, I ordered this from AliExpress. It's the only place I found a painting like this one that she'd like. So I just got it, and I was like really impressed. Okay, so I've opened the outer layer. This is how it came in this plastic. So I've cut that open, and this is how it came. I'm like really impressed. I've never ordered from AliExpress before, so I really had no idea what to expect. But this is a square painting, and look how nice they've packaged it. Look at this. Look how nice. Look, see? So I need a scissors, which I'm going to go get. Here are my drawer opening in the background there. So I am going to, I don't know where there is a place on here to open it. Oh, right here. Oh, it's taped. Here we go. So let's cut this tape off here. Yes, I had no idea how to expect this painting to come in to me. And I like it so far. It seems to be packed really, really, really good. As you can notice, though, if you see through the printing here, that or the bag, it's a double-sided tape painting. But I think that's how they do in China, huh? Okay, the scissors over here. So, but I like the way they wrapped it in this this bubble wrap. Look at this. Yeah, isn't that nice? Okay, so we'll take that out of there. Pretty cool. All right, here's some drills. Okay, the painting is in a rubber band here. See, it's in a rubber band. Here's your basic toolkit. Yep, basic toolkit. A wax, red wax, green boat, painting pen, and some pointy tweezers, since this is a square, and some baggies there. Okay. So we've got some drills in a package here. Oh, and here's the inventory sheet. Oh, there's another picture of it right here. That's what we're going to be working with. Oop. So that's what we're going to be working with. Okay. So look at the drills. Oh, they're in the tiny bags. All these tiny bags. That's how they're coming. And 2 sets of them. Wow, 2 sets of them. There we go. And here is the inventory sheet. Let's get the inventory sheet out. And we can see what the inventory sheet has on it. Okay. Let's see here. All right. We'll get into the drills in a minute. Okay. So this is the inventory sheet. Looks like everything has been checked off. These are all your symbols, and the quantity of drills, and how many bags. Okay, so this one, the 6384, 6,000. The color 353 has 32 bags, so that looks like oh, and here's this one even has ABs, I believe. The 5200, there's 55 bags of that, or it's just white, 5200 white. All right. It doesn't say A. Well, there could be some ABs in there according to the picture here. I don't know, I got a lot of glare on this. So this is the packing slip. Okay, maybe I should bring this in a little closer. We'll see here if I can fit. I gotta move this stuff over get this whole painting in. Okay, we'll see how this looks. It's rolled nice and tight. Now, I've always been skeptical of double-sided tape, and just from the things I've heard on these groups. Oh, look at! Oh, and it even came with a tube in it. Look, yeah, it's cool. A roll-up tube. All right, let me. The canvas is a hard canvas. It's not, felt or lint fabric on it. I wasn't expecting that, really. But it's not too bad. It's not flimsy. Let's roll it over here. Okay. So we might have to roll it back the other way. Actually, what I'm really interested in seeing if this painting is as pretty as what the picture shows. Okay, this is a, does it have the measurement in here? Oops, let me get the measurement. This is it's a 50 by 65 measurement, so it's pretty good size. I measured a painting that was on her wall, and she said she wanted it about that size, so this is about it. Okay, so as you see, if you're not aware and you haven't been diamond painting for very long, when you see this kind of cover on a painting, it's not clear. This is called double-sided tape. The reason why it's called double-sided tape is because when you pull this back, the tape in the corner here, I don't know if you can see that, but it will lift up. It's like it's just, so I can grab that little piece there and pull. Okay, in poured glue, you don't have that. What they do is the tape, it's not a glue on here, it's a tape. That's why it's double-sided tape. And what they do is it's a sheet of tape sticky on both sides, and it gets laid out on the painting. So it sticks to the canvas that has the design on it, and then it's sticky on top here to put your drills on. So that's why it's called double-sided tape. And the manner that they put this tape down in the processing, it can leave rivers and bubbles on the canvas or the glue. So we all know what to do with those if you've been diamond painting for a while, is you take an X-Acto knife and kind of slit through. So I'm going to just take a little bit off of this just to see how the painting is. And there's the foot. Yeah, you can see the foot here, just like the picture. Just like the picture. Just like the picture, see? You see the foot. Okay, and here's the flowers. Let me put this side up a little bit. And we'll pull this up. And it is laying really flat. I don't have any big, large creases or anything in it, so that's good. So far I'm impressed. If there are any bubbles in here, I can't see them right now. So as I go through it, we'll see what happens. Now, I probably will lay some washi tape. That's what I'm trying to think of, washi tape around the side here. I'm trying to see the picture around the side here because there is sticky on the edge there, like most paintings. But I don't want to have that double-sided tape start peeling off. So there's the hands. Okay, let's go to the other side here. We'll turn it around and see what the other side of the painting looks like. Let's turn it around here and we'll put it up from here. Well, there we go. So there's the fingers. There's some of the fingers, and let's pull this up here. And There's the hand. So it looks pretty good. If there are some rivers, they'll be right in here. And, you know, what we do with those, you just take an X-Acto knife and you just score it through. Score it through. But I'm not going to worry about that right now, and I'll check it out later. I most likely will be putting release paper, double-sided release paper, or parchment paper on here. Parchment paper might be good so that I can see through when I'm painting. Now I'm looking at these symbols. I have to put my magnifying glasses on. Let's turn it this way. So I'm going to see what these symbols, how clear they are. Let's see, we've got, these look like diamonds. Okay, can you see that in the picture there? Diamonds? I don't know. That's the background. I can't really tell the symbols right now. It's going to be kind of hard to see. I've not ever used their paintings before. It looks clear if you can distinguish what the the symbols are, but anyway, I'm not gonna, we'll get into that. I'm sure there's going to be lots of different stuff I'm going to be dealing with on this. I'm going to put this back down here. So I counted the colors. I took this out already. There's 43 colors because they don't have it numbered. So I had to count them. Took a little break there. You won't even notice it on the video. But there's no numbers of how many colors. So there's 43. I counted them. Okay, so now we can, if there's anything else I'm forgetting, there is only one legend on this side. Only one legend. There isn't any legend on the other side, so I'm going to be dealing with just one legend. And I got my dog hair on there already. Ooh, my dog hair is on there already. Okay. No legend on either side here. Yep. Only one legend. No, that's okay. No deal. Here. Okay, I'm back. Took a little break there. So what I've done is I've already put my parchment paper on the painting. So this is what I'm going to work for, and this is how I section my paintings off. Either I use the double-sided release, or I thought I'd use the parchment papers. Maybe I could see the painting better. What I did find out also is it was supposed to be a square painting. That's what I ordered, but as I was looking at the drills and the canvas itself, it is a round painting, which may be even better, you know, since I'm doing the, what am I thinking? The double-sided tape. Double-sided tape. And as I was looking at this, I'm noticing that there's training wheels on here, which I really couldn't see when I was filming it before. So they're training wheels, so they are rounds, as you can tell. So that was, you know, just assuming on my part until I started looking at it. So that's one correction. There's only one legend, and that's right here. So I'm going to be working with one legend, and there's the picture right here. So I think I will start with the drills right now. Now that we got all that corrected, there's 2 packages of drills, 43 of them. We'll start with this one. The story behind this painting, I did a poster for my nail lady. I'll have that up in the notes here, that video. And she paid me for it, so that was like my first commission job. And so then she wanted to have another painting, and that's how I started looking for them. The only site that had pedicures and nails was AliExpress. So that's why I ordered from AliExpress. And I wasn't surprised that it was a double-sided tape painting because it's coming from China. Most of them are. So here it looks like the colors that are going to be the skin tone. See those? A lot of skin tone. And they're coming in these little tiny bags. So that's why there's so many of them, I figure. So those are going to be the skin tone. Okay. And this gets into some pinks. So I know the flowers and the toenails and fingernails will have those colors. And this is the background, the white background. And then what clued me in was I started looking at these drills and I go, those are round. They're not square. So I did send them a little note. Don't know if it'll make any difference or not. But this is all of the background, the white, the round whites. Okay. So we'll move those over here and then we'll get in the other package. So anyway, she is going to pay me to do this. It's a big painting, a lot of little dots. It's going to take me a little while to get this one done. And here's the rest of the other colors. We've got some more skin tone. You know there's a lot of skin tone. And here's some darker pinks, all in these little bags. So all the little bags of colors. The drills, they don't look too bad now that I'm looking at them. I don't see a lot of misshaped ones or any from this point of view. They look pretty good to me. And I'm kind of happy with that. So anyway, there's the drills. There's the drills. There's a little more. Oh, these must be the flesh tone ones. Yeah. This, I don't know where these orange ones go. I guess I could look at some of the painting here. Well, that's not showing anything. Well, I know the flesh tone would be right in here. Right in here. That's a toe. Okay. But we'll find out when I start painting it. So anyway, I have this big pile of drills here now, and I'm going to start kitting up. And hope that you enjoyed this little bit of sharing with you. Like I said, it's for her, and she's going to pay me for it. So woohoo! That's going to be exciting. Another commission job. So I want to say that's it, and we'll come back on a whip and chat, let you see how I'm going along with this. Want to say thank you for watching me. Thank you, my subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome. Hi. Don't forget, if you're new, hit that subscribe button there and the little bell attached to it. And then here is the like button over here. Hit the like button, okay? It's always hard to look at a monitor while I'm talking, make sure my hands are doing right. So anyway, that will take care of this session, and I hope you come back. Bye.